Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is on, unlocked, and has decent battery. This avoids interruptions. Once done, identify whether you have Android or iOS because menu labels differ. Now open the Settings app and go straight to Display or About Phone. These are the two places where Refresh Info lives. Make sure to stay in the main Settings menu. Don't open third-party apps yet. This gets you to the right area quickly, so you can check refresh rate without unnecessary steps. Next, navigate deeper. In Display Settings, look for Screen Refresh Rate, Motion Settings, or Advanced Display options because manufacturers vary. On Android, if you need precision, enable Developer options and scroll to show refresh rate or Profile GPU rendering to reveal exact HC values. On iOS, About may list display specs, but you can also enable a frame meter in Developer Tools for detailed readouts. Take a moment to compare the value shown to your advertised spec, so you know if the phone is behaving as expected. Finally, confirm the displayed value matches your phone's advertised spec, 60Hz, 90Hz, 120Hz, or adaptive ranges. If it doesn't, restart the phone and toggle adaptive refresh or the fixed refresh option. An OS update can also restore correct reporting. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps and gather model and OS details before contacting support. One key troubleshooting tip: always test after a restart and with adaptive modes off to get a stable, comparable reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.